Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change font style on iPhone, or if you want to change font system fonts on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently updated to the iOS 26 and you want to change the system fonts on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and this time you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, if you want to search for fonts, then you will find it in the general option. So here you can simply find the two options. The first one is system fonts, and you can simply search for a new update iOS 26 fonts, and you can simply find new fonts which are available in iOS 26, and you can look for a specific fonts on this system fonts, and after that you can also check for any updates uh, fonts you have recently installed. So if you want to install the new fonts, then you can simply open the App Store and you can look for new fonts on the App Store and you can install them. After that, after the installing, you can simply use them in your iPhone. So but you have to make sure that you have installed them from the App Store, and after that you can simply download and install the fonts, and you can enjoy the latest fonts on iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.